Welcome to A1 Lock and Supply, proudly serving the homes and businesses of Sacramento and the surrounding area since 1952. Our locally owned and operated shop offers fast, reliable, affordable in-house and mobile service for all of your key and lock service needs. From key replacements to emergency openings, our experienced team provides high-quality workmanship and reliable service. If you're locked out, we'll get you in fast. We offer complete service for master key systems, rekeying and repair for locks on all model foreign and domestic vehicles, deadbolt installation for homes and businesses, lockout help, safe opening and repair, as well as a selection of new and used safes and locks. We also cut keys while you wait. Take advantage of our quick, affordable service. Contact A1 Lock and Supply. We excel in service.